All right, here she is, 92 W350. And of course, yes, it has the Cummins. Searched for years for a truck like this. As you can tell, not quite stock. I guess the obvious difference are the big tires. Those are General Grabber X3s, mud terrains, love them. And those are American Racing AR 712 16x8 alloy wheels. Just put 4-inch lift springs from Alcan on. Totally recommend them. Again, they nailed the ride height. Went for 4-inch lift over stock. Crossover steering from Offroad Designs. Rancho 5000 shocks, front and rear. You can see a better shot of that crossover steering system. Totally changed the truck. It was scary before. Also rebuilt the front axle. Boxed the frame where the steering gear relocated to the 2-wheel drive position. And let's see what else. That's a rack I fabricated for rooftop tent. Just 1.5-inch pipe. Again, just totally nailed the ride height. Love the stance on this thing. And what else? 4-inch Diamondeye exhaust. Sounds killer. Straight piped. My neighbors love me. Also do fluid film on the frame. This thing is just completely spotless for a truck that's 28 something years old. I mean, just awesome. Fluid film it every 6 months. And the little things, it's dirty, don't judge me. Redid the driver's side floor pan. Had to cut that out. That was the only rust on the entire truck. And did an epoxy paint job. I know it's dirty, it's a work truck. Full LED conversion on all of the lights. And we've got Isspro boost and Pyro, and then an Isspro Tach. This is the Autometer 2-pillar gauge pod. Did the Deckplate mod. That was a good one too. Heater box was totally filled with leaves and stuff. And we'll pop the hood. All right, so custom big honkin' air filter. Just used 4-inch exhaust pipe, and that's a Cummins Fleet Guard filter minder. Pretty handy. Made up a little shield for the filter. It's behind there with an Outerwears pre-filter cover. Rebuilt the injection pump, 3200 governor spring. Changed the throttle spring locations, got a little more response out of it. Fuel screw, I believe, is 2 turns in from stock. Pretty happy with that. No other engine mods so far. And just some cheap Amazon LED headlights. And then also, almost forgot, HX35 off of a 97 12 valve. Rebuilt that turbo and totally woke this truck up. Right now, really happy with it. Let's fire it up, see how she sounds. All right, also forgot to mention, just did a LED gauge light conversion, and that was awesome. That's one of the best mods I've done to the truck so far. You can just see so much better. Idling right around 800 or so, LED taillights. So you can see that about sums it up. Just a simple old work truck. Again, Alcan just totally nailed the ride height. No, I'm not sponsored or anything by them. Just really happy with how they turned out. Any other questions, don't hesitate to ask.